Dukaan fires 90% of support staff, replaces with AI chatbot. Dukaan, an Indian e-commerce platform based in Bengaluru, India, has fired 90% of its customer support staff and replaced them with an AI chatbot. The move has been met with mixed reactions, with some people praising the company for its efficiency and others criticizing it for its lack of empathy. Dukaan CEO Sumit Shah said that the decision to fire the customer support staff was made in order to improve efficiency and reduce costs. He said that the AI chatbot, called Lena, is able to answer customer queries more quickly and accurately than human agents. Lena is able to handle over 100,000 queries per day, Shah said. She is also able to learn and improve over time, so she will only get better at her job. Shah also said that the AI chatbots are more cost-effective than human agents. He said that Lena's salary is fixed, while the salaries of human agents increase over time. It remains to be seen how the use of AI chatbots will impact the future of customer service. Some experts believe that AI chatbots will eventually replace human agents altogether, while others believe that human agents will still be needed to provide complex or emotional support. Dukaan's decision to fire 90% of its customer support staff has had a number of impacts, both positive and negative. On the positive side, the company has been able to improve efficiency and reduce costs. The AI chatbot is able to answer customer queries more quickly and accurately than human agents, and it is also more cost-effective. On the negative side, the company has been criticized for its lack of empathy. Some customers have complained that the AI chatbot is not as helpful or understanding as human agents. However, it is clear that the company's decision has sparked a debate about the role of AI in customer service. The future of customer service is uncertain. Some experts believe that AI chatbots will eventually replace human agents altogether, while others believe that human agents will still be needed to provide complex or emotional support. Only time will tell what the future holds for customer service. However, there is no doubt that the decision has sparked a debate about the role of AI in customer service.